Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Life 98. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency with a detailed look at the CoinDCX app. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete beginner, this app has something for everyone. Plus, I've got an exclusive referral link for you to get started with some exciting benefits. Let's get into it. CoinDCX is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in India. Launched in 2018, it's known for its user-friendly interface and robust security features. But what makes CoinDCX stand out from the crowd? Let's explore. First up, the user-friendly interface. CoinDCX is designed with simplicity in mind. The app is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. Next, the wide range of cryptocurrencies. CoinDCX offers over 200 different cryptocurrencies to trade, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and many more. Now let's talk security. With features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold wallet storage, CoinDCX ensures your funds are safe and secure. Another great aspect is the low trading fees. CoinDCX offers some of the most competitive trading fees in the industry, which means more profit for you. And finally, 24/7 support. CoinDCX provides round-the-clock customer support to help you with any issues or questions you might have. So, how do you get started with CoinDCX? It's simple. First, download the app. It's available on both iOS and Android. Just head to your app store and search for CoinDCX. Next, sign up. Use my referral link in the description to sign up and get some exclusive benefits. Then verify your account. Complete the KYC process to unlock all features of the app. Once that's done, deposit funds. You can deposit INR through bank transfers or UPI, and finally start trading. Once your funds are in, you're ready to start trading. By using my referral link, you'll get a special bonus on your first deposit. It's a great way to kickstart your trading journey. So there you have it, folks. CoinDCX is a fantastic app for anyone looking to dive into the world of cryptocurrency trading. With its user-friendly interface, wide range of cryptocurrencies, top-notch security, low fees, and excellent support, it's hard to beat. Don't forget to use my referral link in the description to get your bonus. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Easy Life 98 for more great content. Thanks for watching and happy trading.